Marion County Prosecutor Ryan Mears has stated today that the Marion County Prosecutor's Office will no longer prioritize prosecution of simple possession of marijuana. After he made that statement, Prosecutor Mears, he's actually the interim prosecutor after Terry Curry resigned, but Tim Moriarty, the other individual who may or may not be prosecutor next week, has also said if he wins, he will take that same position. That is huge for Marion County. Basically, they've said, hey, if you have 1 ounce or less of marijuana, how much weed is that, Mr. Benitez?
That's about 28 grams, approximately 28 grams.
And if you have that much or less, if you get arrested, they are not going to prosecute you. That's absolutely huge. That's absolutely huge. There's very few studies linking marijuana to violent crime and to other social ills and whatnot. And in fact, there's evidence that marijuana prosecution affects people of color disproportionately. And so this is a huge step. Indiana is lagging behind lots of other states regarding legalization of marijuana. But just keep in mind, though, what this is not. Mr. Benitez, what are some of the questions we're getting today about this?
Yeah, well, actually, today we had a lot of calls from people. One call dealt with, if I'm on home detention or work release or probation, can I smoke weed? The answer is simple. You cannot do drugs if you're on probation or home detention or work release. You go to jail.
Absolutely. That is, you sign, probation is a contract you sign, and the contract is you won't smoke marijuana, you won't do illegal drugs. Marijuana is still illegal, so if you smoke marijuana while on probation, you're actually violating a judge's order. Please don't do that. It's about 6 o'clock, 6:15 on the Monday where Prosecutor Mears made this announcement, and just tell you right off the bat, Attorney General of Indiana has said, hey, that's not the law, and they're questioning whether or not the prosecutor can or should do that. And then even like 5 minutes ago, before we started filming this, IMPD and the FOP released a statement saying, hey, we're still gonna arrest you. So please don't think you can walk outside and smoke weed in public, because officers arrest you, you will go to jail, and the prosecutor may not file charges, but that's still not going to prevent the fact you're going to go to jail overnight. So please don't take chances like that.
If you're driving a vehicle and the officer smells marijuana, they're still going to pull you over. They're going to arrest you. They're going to search your car. So very important. Don't smoke weed and drive.
That's
public
huge.
intoxication. Yeah,
public intoxication. Indiana has laws right now. If you smoke marijuana on Monday evening and then you drive your car tomorrow, you're no longer high. You're not. Everyone agrees you're not high. But if you get into an accident and someone gets hurt, they're going to use the fact that you have a metabolite in your blood to file some serious felony charges against you. I'm happy that the prosecutor's office made this decision, but it by no means clarifies or makes things super easy. Please don't operate a vehicle while intoxicated. That includes marijuana. That does lead to accidents, and that can cause serious problems that will result in serious issues. We truly both believe people should do what they want so long as you're taking care of their responsibilities. And we applaud this decision by the prosecutor's office, but we encourage everyone to take it with a grain of salt and please be reasonable. Anything else, Mr. Benitez?
remember, always plead the fifth.
Ah.